Alright, so here we have this very frozen and rattly shaking carrier. Heat pump running in heat mode. Very frozen and rattly. Look at this. It's 4 bands of frost. Thick bands of frost. And look how shaky this is. Not good. I'm almost worried you can hear it. Near the fan. So, Copeland scroll. Person valve. GE motor. 2009, 5-ton. It's cold and sweaty. Oh my, sorry. Very hot. Never mind. This thing's real frozen. This one's off. This one actually turned off before, so. And then this one in the back. This one in the back actually just shut off and defrost, so I'm gonna wait for that to turn back on. So yeah. Anyways, Rattling thing running in heat mode. So yeah, thanks for watching and over.